What is up, everyone? Hope you're doing well, staying safe, staying healthy, and of course, staying awesome. In this video, I will be reviewing Exercise for Cheat Meals Peanut Butter Cookie Dough. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so here is the end product. Now I'm going to link the video in the description that the recipe is from, but as you can see, I'm going to zoom in more. As you can see, it's very, very thick. Oh my god, you can barely see it. There we go. It's very, very thick. Now, I changed this recipe very slightly. I use two whole eggs instead of, I think he said two egg whites and one whole egg. I don't know. I just don't. I don't like shifting the eggs or whatever. It is what it is. But anyway, let's see how it is. And this is after 24 hours that I waited for this. Let's see, shall we? Well, it's better than a spoon, so it's thick. So that's good. So I loved Nick's the first recipe, the regular cookie dough. This let me get another bite. So, similar to the other one, that brown sugar really comes through. That vanilla comes through. You know, I'm getting little hints of peanut butter. It's not a tremendous amount, but it's there. So now I'm not a die-hard fan of cookie dough. So I wouldn't say that I know a lot. You know, I know a distinct taste of cookie dough, but the essence of peanut butter is there. It's just like little wisps, you know. And we use a good serving of regular peanut butter, natural peanut butter, in addition to the PB Fit, which is good, you know. With mine, the calories are going to be a little higher, roughly 120 calories more, because of the two whole eggs. So but for the most part, it's still as Nick says, a banger recipe. And Nick, this is some genuine peanut butter cookie dough. So there's that. Honestly, like, it's very good. The peanut butter, like I said, is there. It's not like instantly overwhelming, you know. And I did follow, besides the two eggs, I did follow the recipe to a T, you know. But yeah, like I said, I'm not complaining. Like, this is banging. And yeah, you could eat this whole thing and it's like 600 calories with like think it's at like 40 grams of protein, 15. But yeah, like this could be a meal, just straight up cookie dough. It's not bad at all. You know what I would do? Similar to contrast the squishiness of the cookie dough, which that's gonna happen regardless. I would put peanut butter chips, which I have peanut butter chips, but that adds another 70 calories or so. But yeah, like I said before, really good recipe. Definitely suggest you guys. First off, I'm gonna link both the original cookie dough and this video. Sorry, the original cookie dough and the peanut butter cookie dough somewhere up top. Make sure you go show some Nick some love. Tell him Titan sent you. Tell him Titan sent you. And yeah, guys, try these recipes. They're very good. This took me tops 20 minutes to make because it's my first time. Probably next time it's only going to take 15, maybe 10. But they're really easy. You just have to make the dry ingredients and mix it into the wet ingredients, and that's pretty much it. The hardest part is just getting the ingredients, and then you're good. But anyway, guys, I'm going to finish this amazing peanut butter cookie dough, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely smash that like button. Let me know in the comments below if you guys want me to try any particular recipes. If you're not subscribed already, definitely hit the subscribe button for more videos. And like always, guys, I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys so much.